How to use the class report. The class status arcs show your class's performance across 3 measures. The attainment arc shows the percentage of your class whose Oxford level matches or exceeds the expectation for their year group at the current point in the school year. The progress arc shows the percentage of your class who are moving through their current Oxford level at the expected rate. The engagement arc shows the percentage of your class who have logged in at least once during the past 7 days. All of the status arcs are updated regularly throughout the day. The student dashboard gives you a snapshot of each student's performance. The grey bars show the attainment which is expected for each year group in the current term. This class contains 2 year groups and therefore has 2 grey bars. Click on the bars to check which year group they relate to. The blue boxes show the levels that a student has previously been on. A coloured box is positioned at the student's current level, so you can compare their attainment to the grey bar. The box's colour and symbol indicate whether the student is making good progress at that level. A green box with a circle indicates that the student is moving through their current level at the expected rate. This is based on number of quiz scores above 80% and the time at level. A purple box with a star indicates that the student is moving through their current level at a higher than expected rate. An amber box with a diamond indicates that the student is moving through their current level at a slightly lower than expected rate. A red box with a hexagon indicates that the student is moving through their current level at a significantly lower than expected rate. So, Gabenga Bello is at the expected attainment level and making the expected rate of progress within that level. Jamie Parsons is well below the expected attainment level for his year group, but making very good progress within that level. Anna Pryor is above the expected attainment level, but struggling to make progress within that level. For a reminder of what each colour means, you can click on the Progress Status key. If you want to see a quick overview of an individual student's progress within a level, you can click on any level box, current or past. We're going to look at Anna's current level. Now you can see more information about Anna's progress. Anna has been at Oxford Level 10 for 26 days. The total number of days expected to complete this level is 84. Anna hasn't scored 80% on any quizzes. She needs to get 80% in a total of 9 quizzes before she can move up. Anna's average quiz score so far at this level is 70%, and she has completed 5 quizzes. To close the extra detail panel, just click back on the current level box. An arrow means that a student is ready to move up or down an Oxford level. This recommendation is based on quiz performance. Click on the coloured box next to the arrow to see the notification and change the student's level. If you select Approve, the student will move up. If you select Not Yet, the student will continue to read books and take quizzes at the current level. If you select Restart Level, all books and quizzes will be reset for a second attempt at the level. If you do nothing, the student will be moved automatically after 14 days.